How are you?
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're okay now. Okay.
Yes, I'm
So I'm
okay.
sorry I was late for about 2 minutes because I do have class, okay?
Okay,
Okay,
no
for a
problem.
while I have to prepare our PowerPoint presentation, Yenny. Okay, for a
What?
while. Okay, for a while I'm going to look for your presentation first, okay? I have to prepare your presentation for a while. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry, pardon me because I have to find for wait, where is it? Okay, it's here. Okay, I hope you can see the PowerPoint presentation, Yanni. Can you see this one? Hello?
Yes, I
Ah,
can
yeah,
see.
okay. Now, we have to move on, or no, not move on, but we have to continue our lesson last time, okay? Because we weren't able to finish our lesson last time. So we were able to sing a song, right? We
Yeah.
practiced this particular song last time, which is all about the what is this one, Yani? This is all
Clothes.
about, okay, the clothes, okay, that we are wearing during what? During,
What?
okay, why is it we use this one, Yani? So we wear this one, we wore this particular clothing if it's cold, right? If it
Yeah.
is summer, maybe, because we are talking about the weather again, Yani. Okay? So in the in the song, we use here a lot of um, clothes in here. So what we're going to do, Yani, is we have to replace the picture with the words. Okay? So what do you think would be picture number one, Yani? What do you think would be this one?
Hat.
Very good. So it's hat, coat, sweater, and scarf. Okay, what about the second one? It's all of,
Windy.
yes, that's correct. What about the third one? Hat,
Coat.
coat. Very good. It was
Hat.
cold.
Oh,
Okay, it,
coat.
it
Okay.
was cold. Okay, very good. And then there wasn't any
Snow.
snow. Very good. And then hot coat, sweater, and
Scarf.
very good. And then with the hot drink and my big red
Sweater.
sweater. Very good. And then there you have it again.
Hat.
Hot and
Windy.
windy. Very good. So those are all um, the things that we've used in a particular weather condition, Yenny, right? So what do you
Okay.
wear? If it is cold, you have to wear sweater or jacket, right?
Okay.
Okay, right. Okay, now let's move on now here, Yenny. So we're going to move on to the structure of the sentence. So when we say structure, how are we going to do this one, right? So we can say to describe the clothes that a person wears, we have to say, we have to say first the subject, and then after that one, we have to put the be verbs plus the in plus the clothing items. Okay? And then things to remember, Yenny, be here can be in any tenses. So what are the be verbs, Yenny? Do you know what are the be
Um,
verbs?
is
Okay, is
RM.
are very good. So is are Okay, and then was, were, they. So those are the be verbs. And now remember, according here, the be verbs can be in any tenses. So we have the so-called the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. So be verbs can be in any tenses. And remember also the subjects to have the correct form of the be verb. If the subject is in plural, we have to take also the be verb plural. Right, Yani? Let's say, for example, if we are talking about, um, let's say, for example, bags. So what do you think would be the be verb that we're going to use after the bags?
After what?
After the word bags. Let's say, for example, bags. Okay, the bags, blank, beautiful. So what are we going to use? Be verbs. So we
What?
have to use are, Yani, right?
Okay.
Why? Because why are? Because the word bags there are plural. So therefore, we have to take also the plural verb are, right? But if we are talking of only one bag, Yani, what do you think would be the be verb that we're going to use? The bag, blank, beautiful.
Um, I understand what you say.
Uh-huh. Okay, I'm going to write it here, Yani, okay? Just for a while. You cannot see this one for a while, okay? Because I have to write it there. Okay,
Okay.
the bag is the okay. Okay, I hope you can see this one, Yani.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so the bag, blank, beautiful. So what do you think would be the be verb we're going to use in this
The bus
sentence?
is beautiful.
Yes, so is beautiful. If I am going to add an S here, so what would be the be verb now?
The bus are beautiful.
Very good. Okay, so that is what I mean. Okay, okay,
Okay.
and then what are the examples here? Okay, we can say, can you read this one, Yani?
I'm in a t-shirt and jeans.
Okay, I am in a t-shirt and jeans. But we can also say I'm. Okay, instead of I am, we can also change that one with I'm. So I, then apostrophe, and then am. So that is I'm in a t-shirt and jeans. But this one is also correct. I'm is also correct. Did you got it, Yanni?
Okay.
Okay, next sentence would be,
She was in a red sweater and a blue scarf.
very good. Now, again, going back here. A while ago, we said that be can be in any tenses. This one is present under the present tense because we use the verb here. We use the be verb right? So therefore, this one is in the present tense. But
Okay.
in the second sentence, this would be in the past tense. Why it's in the past tense? Because we use the be verb past tense was, right?
Okay.
Right,
Yeah.
Yani? Okay. Now, how are we going to do this one in the present tense? How are we going to do it, Yani?
In present tense,
Yes.
she is in
Yes.
a red
Yes.
sweater and a blue scarf.
Very good. Okay, so that is what I mean. She is or she's in a red sweater and a blue scarf. Okay, what if we're going to say Anna? Okay, I'm going to write here, okay? Okay, for a while. Okay, just for a moment, huh? So if I'm going to say Anna, oh wait. Okay, for a while. Okay, look at this one, Yenny. Anna and Tess blank in a red sweater and a blue scarf.
Um, Anna and Tess are
Yes.
in
Yes.
sweater and
Okay.
blues.
So Anna and Tess are in a red sweater and blue scarf. Very good. So do you have questions with this one, Yenny?
What?
Do you have questions with regards to the structure on how are we going to use the subject? Again, going back here. What is the subject in this particular sentence? I am in a t-shirt and jeans. What's the subject, Yenny?
Um,
Okay, subject plus be verb plus in plus clothing items. So it's here in plus the clothing items. So what do you think would be the subject that we are talking here?
um, I
Very good. What's the be verb?
am
Very good. What's after the be verb? We have
in
very good. Okay. And then after that one would be the clothing items, or we can also say this one is the object of the sentence. Okay.
okay.
T-shirt and jeans. So the subject is I, the be verb is am, plus the in, plus the clothing items. Okay. What about in the
Okay.
second sentence? What do you think would be the subject, Yanni?
See.
Okay, very good. After see, what was the be verb?
Well,
Was. Okay, then after the was would be the
in
in. Very good. That's why we have to say subject plus be verb plus in plus the clothing items. Okay? Okay, do you have questions with this, Yanni?
no, I know any question.
Okay, so do you understand it now?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So we're not going to do this one anymore. So let's move on to our next lesson. Okay, for a while.
Okay, your background, right? What is the reason? Yes. What is the reason?
Again,
What's a reason name? The reason name.
what's the
River.
okay,
So
can you type it on the chat box, Yanni?
what?
Can you type
Okay.
it? Okay, so that I could understand
Um.
what you're saying. Okay, what's the river's name? What is that? The river's name?
Yeah. Yes, I see the background. Is this the river?
Where? In the presentation?
No, your background.
Ah, background. Ah, okay. No, no. Actually, I don't know what this particular background.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
this is just
Okay.
only a computer background. Okay, so therefore
Oh,
I don't know.
sorry.
So yeah, I don't know. It was changed every day. Okay, tomorrow would be another
Ah,
again, and then on the next day it's another again. So it's going
oh,
to be every day. It changes every day. Okay, but I'm sorry, I don't know what's the name of this river. Okay, actually,
okay.
yeah, you're right. This one is a river, but I don't know where is this river. Okay. Oh,
Okay,
that's the
I do not
reason.
too.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's move on. I hope you can see this one, Yanni.
Oh,
Can
sorry,
you see
but
it?
excuse me. What is, how are you?
How?
How old are you?
Ah, I'm old enough. Okay. I'm 47 years old, actually. Okay.
Oh, 40 what?
Four
Okay.
seven, 47.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. And you are 15 or 15, 16?
Me?
Yes.
I'm 40.
14. Okay. You're too young. Okay. But I'm old enough. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, so I'm going to show you a video, Yenny. So therefore, we should have to look at this one because it will help us in improving our pronunciation. Okay? Okay, for a
Okay.
while. Okay, wait. This is not for a while. If you do have questions, you just have to ask questions after the video, Yenny. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, for a
Uh,
while.
oh, I want to talk to you a long time ago, and I want to ask you that, where are you from?
Hi, I'm from the Philippines.
Oh, Philippines.
Yeah. So actually,
Oh,
I am a teacher by profession. So I do teach a lot of schools here in the Philippines for a longer time. Okay, I was
oh,
been teaching for about 20 years. Yeah.
oh. I
Okay.
think that there are a lot of there are many Philippines people
Where?
move to Vietnam to
Ah,
teach.
yeah, to
Yeah.
visit Vietnam, actually. Yeah. So because your place, Vietnam, is very good place also to visit. Okay. And
Okay.
one of these days, I'm going to visit also Vietnam, if God's permit to visit in your country. I visited already Thailand. I visited already Malaysia. I visited already what is one? Thailand, Malaysia, Taiwan. Okay. So I have
Oh,
three
Taiwan.
yeah, Taiwan. I visited Taiwan, Malaysia, and Thailand. But the next destination, which I am thinking, would be Vietnam. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I
So
think.
let's try to look at the video now, Yanni. I hope you can see
Hi
this
there.
one.
This
Okay,
is
I can see
the
it.
Yeah.
sound, as in the words what, work, and quick. It's a sound from the single consonants group. The sound is called the labio-velar approximant, which means that you round your lips and form a narrow space at the back of your mouth with your tongue. The sound is made through the mouth and is voiced, which means that you vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. It's defined by the position of your tongue and lips. It's an approximant sound, which means it's a sound made by creating a narrow space in your mouth through which air flows. In this case, it's both the space between your tongue and the top of your mouth and the space between your lips. To produce the w sound, purse your lips and then raise the back of your tongue a bit near the roof of your mouth and voice out. W, w. The w sound is usually spelled with the letter W, or as WH, as in where. But it's also part of the sound made by the letters QU, which is pronounced qu, as in question. Also, in a few words, the w sound doesn't have any letters, like one. Here are some words that start with w. We, world, weather, and wait. Here are some words with the w sound in the middle. Away, towards, someone, and require. English words don't normally end with the w sound, at least not when they're written with the phonetic symbols. However, a lot of words do end with the letter W, but phonetically they're spelt with different symbols. The vowel or and the diphthongs o and ow end with the same mouth shape as the w sound, as in the words saw, rainbow, and now. So, strictly speaking, the w symbol is only used when the w mouth shape transitions into a vowel. When a vowel transitions into the w mouth shape, one of these other symbols is used. To see the pronunciation explanation and examples for another sound, click on its symbol. To learn about the groups of sounds, vowels, diphthongs, single consonants, or consonant pairs.
Okay, so we're done with that one, Yenny. So, are you still there? Hello, Yenny?
Yes,
Okay, very good.
here.
Okay, so let's move on to our lesson now. Okay, now, what have you learned in that particular video, Yenny? What have you observed in that particular video? It's all about,
Oh,
okay, it's all about the letter W, but sound as W sounds. Okay? So if we are going to read this one, read as, of course, W in the letters of the alphabet, but the sound of W is W, right?
okay.
Okay. Now, can you read this particular article in here, Yenny?
Okay, I can read it. To correctly pronounce the word sound, form the lips into a small, tight circles. It is important to hold your lips correctly. It measures. Um,
Imagine, okay,
what?
imagine,
Imagines.
yes,
Oh, imagine. Whistling or blowing out, blowing out a
yes.
candle. Use the same shape to form the letter W.
Okay, letter W now. Okay, so this one
Okay.
is W, but if we happen to see like this, it's woo. Okay, it's the sound woo. But if we happen to see only letter W, so we have to read this one as
W.
W. Okay,
Okay.
next.
Your, your, what?
Jaw.
Jog. Okay.
Okay, jaw.
Should be mostly closed to make the sound, but your teeth should not touch.
Yes, okay. So that means how we are going to correctly pronounce the W sound, okay, or the woo sound. So first, you have to form your lips into a small tight circle, just like this. Okay, it looks like circle your lips. Then it is important to hold your lips correctly. But of course, do not hold your lips, okay? Just think that you are holding a lips or you're holding your lips. And then imagine also whistling, okay? When you do the whistle, so as if you are also pronouncing the woo sound. Okay, Yani, or if you are blowing out a candle, so that is how you pronounce the woo sound. Okay, Yani?
Okay.
Okay, can you read this one? The words here are
Where?
whale.
Where?
That's correct.
Water.
Okay, correct.
Wet.
Wait.
Want.
Okay, wait again.
Wait. Wet.
Yes.
Want.
Okay.
Well.
Very good. Okay. So you have to let your lips, okay, tight circle, then pronounce the word such as will, water, wait, want, well. Okay, Yani? Okay. Next. Now, we have to fill in the words here that contain the sound oo in each sentence. Can you read sentence number one, Yenny?
Oh, sorry, but I must to open the door for my dad.
I okay.
Oh,
So,
please wait a minute.
yeah,
Okay.
okay, okay.
Okay. It's okay.
Okay, so there you have it. Okay, now, can you read sentence number one, Yenny? And we are going to find in here the word that has the woo sound. Okay, go, Yenny.
Okay. What
Correct.
was
The
weather?
Okay, can you read them all? Yenny, can you read all the sentence?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
What was the weather like yesterday in France?
Okay. Now, you're correct. The W or the woo sound in here are what, was, then, whether. Okay? Okay. Number two, Yenny. Sentence number two. Can you read them first before answering, Yenny?
Okay. They was in group uniform when they went on a picnic last weekend.
Very good. So what are the woo sounds in here?
They there's were
Okay, where,
where
where,
okay
okay,
went
when,
went
and went. Okay, and
weekend.
weekend. Very good. Number three, Yani.
Oh, okay. It's windy today. I'm in a white coat and a purple scarf.
Very good. So what do you think are the woo sounds in here?
Um, there's windy,
That's correct.
white. Yes.
Okay, that's it. So we have only two woo sounds in here. Number four, Yani.
Okay. It's raining, but I don't have any umbrella, so I'm wet.
Okay. So W or the woo sound.
There's wet.
Okay, it's
Yes,
just
only wet.
only wet. Okay, next, the last one.
Okay. The water in this lake is clear, and there is a lot of fish.
Okay.
I like going fishing here.
Yes. So what are the woo sounds in here?
It is water.
One, okay? And then it's just only water,
Oh,
right?
okay.
Yeah, so aside from that, we don't have W or the woo sound in there. Okay, Yanni? So I guess this one is very clear to you that if we are going to say the woo sound, we have to make our lips a little, circle a little bit. Okay? And then as if you are blowing a candle, Yanni. Okay? Okay, now, Yanni, follow after me. Can we say weather?
Weather.
Yesterday. Yanni?
What?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Very good. France.
Front.
Okay, France. Can you say it?
Front.
France. Okay.
France.
And then we have to say group,
Group.
uniform,
Uniform.
weekend.
Weekend.
Okay. Windy,
Windy.
white coat,
White coat.
purple scarf.
Purple scarf.
Okay, very good. Umbrellas.
Umbrella.
Okay. Okay. Fishing.
Fishing.
Okay, very good. Okay, so I think it's already bye-bye time again, Yenny. So I have to say goodbye to you for now and hope we can be able to see again because yesterday you weren't able to attend our lesson, right, for our makeup class, okay? So
Okay.
maybe if you have still time on another maybe another days, so we can have the makeup class maybe, okay? Okay.
We will have class on Friday, right?
Yes, I have classes every Fridays until 10. Yeah, until 9 in your country, but here in the Philippines until 10. I do
Oh,
have I do have only vacant or vacant time every Sundays.
oh,
Yeah, so that would be Sundays. Okay. Maybe if we can have that one, we can just talk about it maybe on the chat. Yenny, okay? Okay, if you do
okay.
have time. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye-bye for now. We'll see you
Okay,
again,
bye.
Yenny. Okay,
See you
bye-bye.
later.
Yeah, sure. Bye-bye.